going on, guys? Got a toilet here, I'm in the turn working, and I noticed the toilet wasn't filling up. So I got the water off, and we're gonna put in a new fill valve, Fluidmaster 400A. Alright, here we go. There's a nut underneath here, just want to take that off. I already had it loosened. And I've got my bucket here ready to catch the water. Okay, got all the water out. Alright, here's the new one. You can adjust the height on these. Just pull that little ring off and then pull it up. And there's numbers on here. These ones are usually set at 11. Start with that. There's your seal. Alright, pull this one out. Tighten the nut up. Grab the Jackie chains. Alright, you don't want to over tighten it, just want to get it snug. Alright, hook the water supply line back up. Put a new supply line on too. Anytime I change a fill valve, I put a new supply line on too. Most of them are old. This property's 46 years old. Alright, then you gotta see how, get the hose here, see how much you need. Cut it off. Got it right about here. Stuff it down there. Okay. Alright, turn the water on, test her out. She's filling now. Alright. Yeah, with these type of toilets here, these are Mansfields. We don't use these here on these toilets. They have a different flush valve. So that's it. Working good. Alright guys, that's replacing the fill valve. See you on the next one.